Do I have a baby in diapers? No. But did I buy the new Texas Tushies Ultimate Pocket Diaper anyways? Yes, I did. Let's see what I got. So I debated whether to post this on this account or my Cloth Diaper Anonymous account, but since I'm going to be posting here more, or at least I'm trying to, I figured I'd record it here. So first of all, I have a bunch of diapers that Teddy used that I would like to just like deep clean, and for that, I picked up some Mighty Bubbles. They just rebranded, same formula from what I've read, but Mighty Bubbles for a deep clean, gotta get that going. And these are the new Ultimate Pocket Diaper. This is the, I don't remember the print, Flock maybe? I know the chicken print sold out for sure, but this one is so cute. It's got the nice cream colored stretchy tabs. These are like a elasticy kind of material. Very stretchy, very nice. These do have the reversed snaps, so the male snaps are going to be at the top, so if you needed to snap down for the umbilical cord, you totally could. And it does have 5 rise snaps, so 5 by 3. Nice big tummy panel, and look at that colored athletic looking jersey. So one of the biggest changes for the new pocket diaper is going to be the thick double back elastic. Texas Tushies is kind of well known for having their big envelope style pockets, where I'm personally a big fan of, because I just like shake the inserts out above the diaper pail and that's it. I don't have to touch anything, no wet inserts. It was at this point that my audio messed up, but stick with me because it does eventually resync. So I don't remember exactly what I was saying here, but I remember the point being that I was trying to make that most of the beef that I had with thick back elastic pockets is that the packet isn't very big, but with this one I can actually fit my hand in without stretching the elastic at all. So it's great for wear and tear on the elastic itself, and also if you have relatively big hands like I do, then you shouldn't have an issue. Another new feature of the Ultimate Pocket Diaper is this double gusset, which is perfect for overnight, so you can stuff the crap out of it and you'll never have that leg gap. It also makes it a lot more gentle if you have a baby that's prone to getting those red marks. Now, it doesn't affect functionality at all, but another subtle change that she made was removing the little Texas logo from the front, which I loved because I'm from Texas, but now it's a lot more subtle. It's just a Texas Tushies logo name text on the side. And this is another one of the prints that I picked up. It's a cute little farm life type of print. It's got little chickens and ducks and rain boots. Somebody went and cleared out all of the chicken prints though, so this one is also sold out, but it's so stinking cute. This one has the cream tabs and the gray snaps. Now, I did notice that these do have the double hip snaps, so if you have a smaller baby, it'd be great for the crossover tabs. The prior XL diaper and the Flex Fit diaper only had it on either the top or the bottom, so that was a nice addition. Now, the inside of this one is one of my absolute favorites. You can literally get me with any kind of checkered print, anything. And I was just going to stop there on those two, but then I saw the mint on this last pocket and I just had to pick it up. Now, I don't know what I was expecting, but to see the exact same print on the athletic looking jersey was such a shock. I didn't realize, but that is so freaking cool. It's like camouflage almost, like you can't even tell just by looking at the camera which says the inside of the outside, but this is the athletic looking jersey and this is the outside of the pocket. Anyways, the mint totally got me on this one and I love it. Kaylee also threw in a matching flock sticker, so I'll add that to my diaper pail once it's out of storage. Anyways, this account is going to be like a mixed match of things because we're in the process of getting our manufactured home, and I kind of want to get back into cloth diaper content because I know a lot of people are like pregnant right now and expecting, and it's like a huge, at least for me on my feed, I've been seeing a lot of cloth diapering accounts, so I'm kind of wanting to get back in. I'm a little jealous. I don't have a baby in diapers, and I don't think Teddy will let me put a diaper on him. He's very much in his I'm a big boy like phase, so I don't think I'll have a good model for that, but who knows, maybe I'll look for my little baby model. Anyways, that's it. If you want to shop the Texas Tushies new line, my code is same as always, Teddy15, save 15% on literally everything. This, the Mighty Bubbles, they have all kinds of wipes, there's a bunch of clearance stuff. I just placed an order for a bunch of apparel because they closed out their mercantile. So if you're interested in Texas Tushies apparel or swimwear, all that stuff, it's like heavily discounted right now. So check that out.